How to use Zurich Disability Insurance Switzerland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Zurich Disability Insurance in Switzerland is designed to replace income if illness or injury prevents you from working. However, many policyholders make mistakes that reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people assume all disabilities are automatically covered, but the surprising truth is they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Zurich offers policies covering either your own occupation or any occupation. Choosing the wrong option could leave you underprotected if your disability affects only your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time before benefits start. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more, but ensure faster support. Align this period with your savings and monthly expenses to avoid financial strain. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial commitments. Selecting too low a benefit might save money initially, but could leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. Zurich offers riders such as partial disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these limits flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Zurich requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Zurich Disability Insurance Switzerland can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, select the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to protect your financial future.